3 ounces of gold will get us on the boat out of Vietnam.
The boat to freedom.
We hide what we are taking.
Viet Cong, always watching. If they catch us, we will be jailed. But we must try.
We must go! It's the pirates! The pirates!
More Vietnamese, victims of the communists. You gutless dogs. Will make you wish you never left there. Search them thoroughly. Open your mouth! No gold in your teeth? You are worthless! You're coming with us. Maybe we'll come back and ram your boat and send you all to the bottom of the sea. Let's go. When we're done with you, you'll wish you were dead!
My wife, my daughter! Help them! Help me! What is my life without my wife? My daughter? It is nothing. Nothing. My God, let them take my life. Let me die.